Are you wasting money and warehouse space guessing how many boxes you're going to need this year? Frustrated by product damage incurred due to shipping in the wrong size box? Environmentally concerned about the amount of wasted void filler and the expensive, oversized boxes you're forced to use? We listened to our customers and we now offer a just-in-time solution to deliver their products in an ever-shrinking purchase-to-delivery cycle time. Ship your products in the correct size box, but without the outrageous handcuffing expense of a fanfold corrugated contract. Introducing the revolutionary Boxmat box making system. Why is it revolutionary? Because we're selling a box maker, not a corrugated cardboard contract. Boxmat box makers allow you to create in-house custom-sized boxes to reduce your packaging waste, save you money, and create a better customer experience. Boxmat allows you to package your products more securely to minimize damages and eliminate the need for void fillers. By using the right size box, you can improve processes to save on labor and material costs and save on valuable warehouse space. Reducing shipping costs with minimized box size and increased sustainability will ready your customers for repeat business. How does the system work? A single Boxmat module simply feeds the corrugated sheets or fan folds, then quickly cut, crease, slot, die cut, trim, and glue. Perfect boxes are manufactured quickly and consistently. Want to achieve even further efficiency gains? We offer custom automation solutions, including feeders, flexo printers, folders, and stacking units. The Boxmat gives you Zimmat's European engineering and Miller Weldmaster's American sales, service, and support. We offer 100 years of combined experience designing and manufacturing versatile packaging solutions. Contact Miller Weldmaster to find out more today.